I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg salad for weight loss. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs, which provide excellent protein. For a lighter dressing, swap traditional mayonnaise for plain Greek yogurt. It significantly reduces fat and calories while adding a creamy texture. Don't forget to finely dice some celery and red onion for that essential crunch and a burst of fresh flavor. This simple swap makes a big difference. Now, let's talk about flavor without adding extra calories. A spoonful of Dijon mustard provides a wonderful tangy kick that complements the eggs perfectly. For fresh herbs, consider finely chopped dill or chives. They bring an aromatic depth that makes the salad feel gourmet. Remember to season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. These simple additions enhance the taste significantly, keeping your egg salad exciting and satisfying for your weight loss journey. Preparing your egg salad is straightforward. Begin by chopping your hard-boiled eggs into small, uniform pieces. This ensures every bite has a consistent texture. Next, in a medium bowl, gently combine the chopped eggs, Greek yogurt, Dijon mustard, celery, red onion, and herbs. Mix until everything is just incorporated, being careful not to overmix. For serving, try it on crisp lettuce wraps, cucumber slices, or a few whole grain crackers for a satisfying, low-carb meal. It's delicious and keeps you feeling full. To keep your healthy egg salad fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For an extra zing, a small dash of apple cider vinegar can brighten the flavors even more. This recipe is versatile, so feel free to experiment with other low-calorie vegetables like bell peppers. And speaking of bringing things to life, if you're looking to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, healthy egg salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.